right. So I guess here that I guess this is the place where we left, and so today we are going to continue from where we left to check this document for grammar and Grammarly. So as you can see, the word count for the introduction is. I really believe you also have the right word count. Okay. So the word count is just still there around 7260. Okay. But of course, it's high because it's even including these in-text citations, okay, which are usually not counted, okay. So I'm going to show you how to check this document for grammar, and then after that, you're also going to generate the Grammarly report, and then I'm going to show you how to check this document for plagiarism in Turnitin, and then you're also going to generate the plagiarism report, okay. And then I will expect you at the end of this video, you follow these instructions and send me both the Grammarly report and the Turnitin report. Huh? So that should not be an issue. So let's get going. So first of all, I will see where I've saved this marginalization sample, and I will come and I will just save it in my desktop so that I can just upload it from my desktop. Okay. So the thing is, I'll just go to my browser and search Grammarly. Like for you, if you don't have the Grammarly logins, I'll send you the Grammarly logins, and then you are going to log in into Grammarly. And then after maybe you log in into Grammarly, you are going to now upload the document. Okay. So when you log into Grammarly, this is how I'll expect it. This is how you'll expect to see it. Okay. So you come and make sure it's written Grammarly Business or Premium. Okay. Otherwise, you might be using that free one. So I'll give you the email to log in. So that's what I'm saying. For this one, you have to be computer compliant, technology compliant, because these steps I won't show, but it's very easy to log in. Okay. So you log in and upload the document. So upload. And then from my desktop, I'm going to look for marginalization sample. Okay. This one here. And then I will upload it. So my document is uploading, so I'll give it time, and then they're going to tell me how my writing is. So your document formatting will be stored upon download. I'll just cancel that. So I've got a 98, so you see I'm not that bad. Okay. Now any suggestion that in my experience, anything that is written in red, okay, anything that is written in red, you're supposed to cancel it. Okay. Like this one is written in red in order to is in blue. So we do not just assume the suggestions that Grammarly is giving us, because if you assume, it's going to be a problem. So the first thing is we are going to read through. Marginalization is the aspect of different industries adopting McDonald's food company. If I cancel it, it won't make sense. Huh? The emphasis may be unnecessary. So McDonald's food companies. I think now what I'll do so that I can avoid this red thing is that I'll add an apostrophe here, food companies, and then these main principles. Okay, I'm going to cut it and paste it here at the end. Okay, then I'm going to leave a space, then the this over yeah, so I'm going to wrap that way. And then McDonald is based, so their suggestion is McDonald is based on 4 main principles: predictability, calculability, efficiency. Okay, so this one is nice, so I'll rephrase that one. And then McDonald's, they want me to rephrase it and write it well. So this is how McDonald's is spelled. Okay, 3 major tenets. So principles, so I'll just correct that one. Okay, in order to, this one is what this will use to. 3 major, 2 central. Huh? Okay, so maybe if I don't understand what the word tenet means, I can just look the word and I look at the meaning of tenant. Tenet, plural tenets, a principle or a belief.
Tenet. Tenet.
So tenet means principle or a belief, so that is okay. And now when I look, this is telling me great job. see performance, it's okay. So when you want to download the report, you come to this part here where you're told to see performance, and then you give it time to load, and then you come here down here, download PDF report. So you download that PDF report there. So yeah, it's downloading, and you see this thing, it's loading. So now it's downloaded, and here is my report. Okay, so the name is here, my organization sample, and then the issues, you can see I have no writing issues. The text has been checked, hasn't been checked for plagiarism, which is not important anyway for Grammarly. But if you want to check for plagiarism in Grammarly, let me just show you what to do. So I'll close that one. So you come down here, you can see here, there's this word plagiarism here. So you can check for plagiarism. But although for plagiarism, we don't use Grammarly. So it's telling me looks 100% original, so that is okay. So then I can come and download the report again. So for you, you send me the report, the one that you've checked for plagiarism also in Grammarly, and then you download the report. So don't forget to check that plagiarism in Grammarly, and then you also show me. Okay, so I'm still going to see, so rare words, these ones, and then let me see if where plagiarism is. Seems to be 100% original, so that is okay. So now this is what I call the Grammarly report. Okay, so I'll put that aside. So once you're done, make sure you come here and come to my Grammarly and delete your document, because this place we are sharing. We are sharing this thing, and somebody can take your work and copy it or submit it or do anything. Okay, so when you download, have you downloaded it? I think so. Let me see. Well, I didn't download that work, so I'm sorry. Yeah. So I'll just have to check it again. So what I'll do, I'll have to upload it again. So McDonaldization. So you have to download it first. So this was my document. So you have to be careful. You have to download the document. The main principles of, so adopting the McDonaldization food companies. I think I said I'll do this here, and then I copy main principles. And then this one. So I'm going to delete this one. And then McDonaldization based on this one. I said McDonald's principles. They said this is tenets. In order to, we change this one to 2. Major, we said central. This one is okay in order to. So not all suggestions are good. Okay, so be careful with the suggestions that Grammarly is giving you, and only accept them when they're good. So once you are done checking for the grammar and the plagiarism, and you've downloaded the report, you come and download this document, the one that is edited. Okay, and it's going to have that extension .edited. So here is my work that I've checked for grammar errors. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. So it's McDonaldization, and then when you look on top here, we have this. When you look on top here on the title, we have this edited stuff here. Okay, so that one will tell you that this one is the Grammarly document that you are looking at, that we've gotten. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is the final that you have, and at this moment you should send me now this .edited and the Grammarly report, and the plagiarism report, which I'm going to show you at the moment. Okay, so I'll close that one. And as I said, once you're really, if you're really done, you come back to my Grammarly and document. Okay, make sure you don't delete someone else's document. Okay, as you can see in Power, so it's based on trust. I've given you these logins, so behave as you don't want your document to be deleted, so don't delete someone else's. Okay, so now we go to Turnitin. We look for plagiarism for the document, so we'll come and write Turnitin. So we'll click on Turnitin and login. So I'm going to send you the details so that you can log in. Okay, so when you come to this is how Turnitin looks like. So when you come to Turnitin, you come here on assignment. Just take any of these ones. Look at the status. Okay, when you come at the middle here, let me show you. In the middle, sorry, I'm using wrong prepositions. In the middle here, you can see the status is active. So make sure you have an active class. Okay, and then now you can enter in one of these ones. Okay, so I'll just enter in this first one called assignment, and then I will come to this one, and inside assignment there's assignment 2 and there's FHU, so I'll just go with assignment 2. You can go to either. Okay, and then these are other people's documents that have been uploaded, and this is the plagiarism index. Okay, the similarity index. Okay, so for me, okay, so now you come to submit file, and then I'll just write there at all academics or anything that you feel like writing. Okay, you can write there, and then submission title, you can write anything also, and then you choose from this computer, and then I'm going to upload, let's say, for me, my document is in the download, so it's markdownization sample.edited. Okay, so this one, the one that I'm going to download it. So one important thing to see is that you should see this one. Okay, you should see this. The file you're submitting will not be added to any repository. Okay, because if it's added, it's going to be an issue. Okay, so it's going to be an issue. So you should probably you should not see that thing known as the file you are. If it's added, and if somebody comes and check for plagiarism again, it's going to turn out to be 100%. Okay, so if you submit it and it goes to that repository, then you're going to self-plagiarize. And if you submit the work to us, when you check again, you're going to see that the plagiarism is too high. So that's an issue. Okay, so I'm going to upload that, and then I give it time. It's telling me to confirm, so I'm going to confirm, and then once I was confirmed, I'm going to go to assignment inbox. Then I go to assignment box. It's here to academics paper check, and then what I'm going to do, that's my paper. I'm going to just reload this one and see if it's loaded. So right to academics, I'm told it has 27% plagiarism. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click that one, and it's going to load, and then okay, so that's my 27% similarity index. So you can see the places that are highlighted, those are places where plagiarism is, but we have no problem if the plagiarism is in the what? If the plagiarism is in the title page or the cover page, that one is not an issue. What we have an issue is if plagiarism is in the body. Okay, so the setting of so this is my body. So let me just show you. So this here, this is my body. Okay, so make sure that the body is clean, like the way you can see mine. Okay, so it's clean because I did not copy it from somewhere. I mean, I just wrote this one from my head. Okay, So we have no problem if it's in the cover page or the references. Sawa. So that is not an issue. So usually it is supposed to be set in such a way that the title page is not seen and the references are not seen. But now this class, it seems it is not set that way. Okay. So that one is not an issue. So when you have that one, so when I see the body has no problem, so now I can know that you are safe. And then now I'm going to download the report, current view, and I give it time to download. So it's preparing to download. So basically what I can say is that for plagiarism, this paper is very original, because the only issues that are there is issues with the cover page and the references, which is not a problem. So when you scroll down there, you can see the similarity index, and it's telling you the sources where these things were copied from, okay? Where those are, they found similar matches. So once you're done, you come to the feedback studio, close that feedback studio, okay? And then you come and check this box here in your document, and then you come and delete it. And then when it will tell you files deleted from this assignment removed permanently in 90 days, huh? So you say okay, that one you can delete, and then it's going to go away from here. If you leave it here, somebody might do something fishy and you see your paper being submitted, and when you check again, you get it's 100% plagiarized. So it's always good that you delete yours, but do not delete someone's else's work, okay? Do not delete someone else's work. So now once you have those reports, you send them to me, all of them. So I would expect you to send me these your work, that I will just go to my downloads and show you the way they are supposed to look like. So I would expect you that you are going to send me this uh, modernization sample dot edited, this one here, dot edited, and then because you send, and then after that you send me the Grammarly report, which is that report, okay? And the other one that you send me, you send to me this one. The other one that this is for Grammarly, okay? So the other one that you sent to me is the plagiarism report, which I would expect that maybe you attach these ones in the same email, okay? So this is my plagiarism report, okay? So that's how it looks like. So I will go through this and see if there is a mistake, and if there's any problem. So then this one is okay, and I think I've covered the most basic ones. And to this file you can write that topic, McDonaldization, very well, and it should be okay, and you should be able to get on topic, and don't lose any topic, okay? So one thing I can say is that maybe uh, you have any problem, you let me know so that we can communicate, okay? But be sure that everything is okay, and then should you need anything, just let me know, okay? So that we can be able to assist one another. So now that you have all those things, and you know these formatting things, you can just send to me the documents. I will check them, and then everything will just be okay. So I don't know if you have any issues, but for me, I think you're good to go. And if you're good to go, when you get my go ahead, you are going to proceed to the next stage, which is basically writing the remaining words without my guidance, because the same way I guided you through the what the same way I've guided you through through the the introduction, just follow the same steps to write the other sections of the paper, and all will be well. So to me, I want to say that was enough for this video, and because you're already hitting the 20 minutes mark. And you have a nice time. Thank you.